Are you tired of the same old banking experience? Are you looking for an online bank that can offer more than just basic services? If so, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of online banking and compare Ally Bank to some of its top competitors. Ally Bank has long been a popular choice for online banking, known for its high-interest savings accounts and user-friendly platform. But is it the best option out there? Let's explore some alternatives that might offer even more competitive rates, better features, and superior customer service. 1. Comparing Ally Bank to other online banks. Capital One 360. Pros. Competitive interest rates on savings accounts and CDs. Robust mobile app with features like budgeting tools and bill pay. No minimum balance requirements. Cons. Fewer physical branch locations than Ally. Some users report less personalized customer service. CIT Bank. Pros. High-yield savings accounts with competitive rates. A variety of CD terms and rates to choose from. Strong online banking platform. Cons. Limited branch network. Customer service may not be as responsive as other banks. Discover Bank. Pros. Excellent mobile banking app with robust features. High-yield savings accounts and CDs. Strong rewards program for credit card users. Cons. Fewer physical branch locations. Some users report issues with customer service. 2. Key factors to consider when choosing an online bank. Interest rates. Compare interest rates on savings accounts, CDs, and checking accounts. Look for banks with competitive rates and minimal fees. Fees. Check for monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, and ATM fees. Aim for banks with low or no fees. Mobile banking. Evaluate the mobile app's user-friendliness, features, and security. Look for apps that allow you to deposit checks, transfer funds, and pay bills easily. Customer service. Consider the bank's customer service channels, phone, email, chat. Look for banks with responsive and helpful customer service representatives. Additional features. Check for features like budgeting tools, bill pay, and investment options. Choose a bank that offers the features you need. 3. Choosing the best online bank for you. Assess your needs. Determine your priorities, such as high-interest savings, low fees, or robust mobile banking. Consider your financial goals and lifestyle. Research and compare. Use online banking comparison tools to find the best options. Read reviews and customer feedback to get a sense of each bank's reputation. Open an account. Choose a bank that meets your needs and open an account online. Transfer funds from your existing bank account and start using your new online bank. While Ally Bank is a solid choice for online banking, it's essential to consider other options that may offer better rates, features, or customer service. By carefully evaluating your needs and researching different online banks, you can find the best fit for your financial goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.